नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण चॅप्टर नंबर 3 सर्कल पाहणार आहोत. पेपर नंबर 2 सर्कल पाहणार आहोत. त्या अगोदर दिनेश के मॅथ अकॅडमी हे यूट्यूब चॅनल तुम्ही सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा, जेणेकरून नवनवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाहता येतील. तर मग सुरू करूया. चॅप्टर नंबर 3 पेपर 2 सर्कल. फ्रॉम फिगर O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle. AB is a chord. A line joining two distinct points on a circle is called chord. AB is a chord means जीवा. O is the center of circle. Center of circle म्हणजे वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू. A line intersect two distinct points is called secant. CD is a secant means छेदिका. A line touches circle only one point is called tangent line. Line L touches the circle at a point M is called tangent. Tangent means sparshika. From figure O is a center of a circle. Center of a circle. Line joining the two distinct points on a circle means AB is a chord. Segment AB is a chord. Chord means jiva. Line intersect two distinct points is called secant. Segment CD is a secant. Secant means छेदिका. Line L touches circle at a point M means line L is a tangent segment or tangent line or tangent line. Line L touches the circle at a point M is called tangent. O is the center of circle. Line passing through the center of circle means radius is a diameter. Line radius passing through the center of circle is called diameter. Segment radius is a diameter of a circle. Diameter म्हणजे व्यास. Diameter means व्यास. जी लाईन वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रबिंदू मधून जाते तिला डायमीटर म्हणायचं. OR and OS is the radius of a circle. OR and OS is a radius of a circle. OR and OS is the radius of circle. Tangent theorem. A tangent of any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Means radius perpendicular to the tangent. From figure O is the center of a circle. Line L touches the circle at a point A. Then segment OA means radius OA perpendicular to line L. O is the center of circle. Line L touches the circle at a point E. Then segment OA perpendicular to line L. Converse of tangent theorem. A line perpendicular to a radius at its points on a circle is a tangent to the circle. A line perpendicular to a radius at its points on a circle is tangent to the circle. From figure point M, if point M be the center of a circle, line L perpendicular to radius MN, then line L is a tangent to the circle. M is the radius of circle, line L perpendicular to the radius, then line L is a tangent to the circle. Tangent theorem. Tangent segment drawn from an external point to a circle are congruent. O is the center of circle. Tangent PQ and PR are drawn from an external point P. From figure, point O be the center of a circle. Segment PQ congruent segment PR means tangent segment from external points are congruent. Point O be the center of circle. PQ and PR tangent segment from external point P means segment PQ are congruent to segment PR. नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण सर्कल हे चॅप्टर पाहणार आहोत. त्या अगोदर दिनेश केके मॅथ अकॅडमी हे यूट्यूब चॅनल तुम्ही सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा, जेणेकरून नवनवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाहता येतील. तर मग सुरू करूया. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. In the adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with center C is 6 cm. Radius CA, length is 6 cm. Line AB is a tangent at A. AB is a tangent at point A. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the measure of angle CAB? Measure of angle CAB is a 90 degree, means segment CA perpendicular to line AB means measure of angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Radius perpendicular to the tangent. Radius perpendicular to the tangent means measure of angle CAB is a 90 degree. Question number 2. What is the distance of point C from the line AB? Phi. Distance of point C from AB is 6 cm. CA is the radius of circle. Distance C comma A is equal to 6 cm. Reason is radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. 3. Distance A comma B is equal to 6 cm. Find BC. Draw segment BC. Draw segment BC. Draw segment BC. CA is a 6 cm. Radius of circle. AB is equal to 6 cm given. Find hypotenuse BC. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus AC square. Then find length of BC. measure of angle CAB is equal to 90 degree in a triangle CAB. Hypotenuse square means BC square is equal to height AC square base AB square. BC square is equal to length of AC is equal to 6 square plus AB is equal to 6 square, means BC square is equal to 6 into 6 square means 36 plus 6 square 36 is equal to addition is 72. Square root both side, BC is equal to square root 72 means 72 means 2 into 36. दोन्ही पैकी एक संख्या कोणत्या तरी संख्येचा वर्ग आणा. 36 into 2 means 72 means BC is equal to square root 36 means 6 into square root 2. Length of BC, distance B comma C is equal to 6 into square root 2 centimeter. This is final. 4. What is the measure of angle ABC? Why? ABC, measure of angle ABC means AC divided by BC is equal to length of AC is 6, length of BC is 6 into square root 2. 6 get cancelled means AC divided by BC is equal to 1 divided by square root 2. Divide by BC, change the sign, multiply means AC is equal to 1 divided by square root 2 into BC. Length of AC is 1 divided by square root 2 times the hypotenuse means measure of angle ABC is equal to 45 degree by converse of 45 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem by converse of 45 degree and 90 degree triangle theorem. या बाजूची लांबी कर्णाच्या 1 भागिले वर्गमुळात 2 पट आहे, म्हणजेच ही बाजू कोणत्या कोनासमोरील आहे 45 डिग्री. Length of AC is 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by square root 2 times the hypotenuse means measure of angle ABC is 45 degree. जर एखाद्या बाजूची लांबी कर्णाच्या 1 भागिले वर्गमुळात 2 पट असेल तर ती 45 अंश कोनासमोरील असते. means measure of angle ABC is 45 degree. Practice set 3.1 question example number 2. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle from the point from the point R. Segment RM and RN are tangent segment. RM and RN is a tangent segment from the point R touching the circle M and N. Touching the circle M and N. Length of OR is equal to 10 centimeter and radius of a circle. Draw segment OM. Radius of a circle is 5 centimeter. 1. What is the length of each tangent segment? Find the length of RM and RN, each tangent segment. What is the measure of angle MRO? Measure of angle MRO. Find. What is the measure of angle MRN? Solution. Draw segment OM. Means OM is equal to segment OM perpendicular to line RM. Radius perpendicular to the tangent. Means measure of angle OMR is equal to 90 degree. Radius OM is equal to 5. OR is equal to 10. Measure of angle OMR is 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, and then find MR. In a right angle triangle, OMR, OM is equal to 5, OR is equal to 10, find MR. By Pythagoras theorem, base square means MR square plus height square means OM square, hypotenuse square means OR square. Base square means MR square, height means OM square, hypotenuse means OR square. Value of MR, find the value of MR plus OM is equal to 5 square plus OR is equal to 10 square. MR square is equal to plus 5 square 25, 10 square 100, means MR square is equal to 100 minus 25 is equal to 75, means MR square is equal to 75. Square root both sides, means MR is equal to square root 75, means MR is equal to 25 into 3. MR is equal to 25 square root 5 into square root 3. Length of tangent segment MR is equal to 5 into square root 3. Similarly, NR is equal to 5 into square root 3. Length of tangent segment from external points are congruent. Means similarly, tangent NR is equal to MR is equal to 5 into square root 3. Tangent segment from external points are congruent. Question number 1. Length of each tangent segment is equal to 5 into square root 3 centimeter. OM is equal to 5, OR is equal to 10, means OM, question number answer, OM divided by OR is equal to, value of OM is 5, value of OR is equal to 10, means OM is equal to 5 divided by 5 means 5, 10 divided by 5 means 2, 1 divided by 2 into, divided by OR, change the side, multiply OR. Value of OM is 1 up to the hypotenuse, means measure of angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. MRO is 30 degree by converse of 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle theorem. Converse of 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle theorem. Measure of angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, measure of angle NRO is 30 degree. Similarly, measure of angle NRO is equal to 30 degree, means measure of angle MRN is equal to measure of angle MRO plus measure of angle NRO. Value of MRO 30 degree plus measure of angle NRO 30 degree. 30 degree plus 30 degree means 60 degree. Measure of angle MRN is 30 degree. Is 30. Practice set 3.1. Example number 3. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment of a circle with center O. RM and RN are tangent segment of a circle with center O. O is the center. Prove that segment OR bisect the angle MRN. Segment OR bisect the angle MRN as well as angle MON. सेगमेंट OR हा MRN ला बायसेक्ट करतो, म्हणजे हा अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट या अँगल सोबत दाखवा लागेल तुम्हाला, हा अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट ह्या अँगल सोबत दाखवा लागेल. सोल्यूशन सेगमेंट OM परपेंडिकुलर टू लाइन MR, सेगमेंट ON परपेंडिकुलर टू लाइन NR means radius perpendicular to tangent. OM perpendicular to MR, OM perpendicular to MR, ON perpendicular to NR means 90 degree. Radius perpendicular to the tangent. Radius perpendicular to the tangent. Measure of angle OMR is equal to measure of angle ONR is equal to 90 degree. OMR is a 90 degree. In a triangle OMR and a triangle ONR. In a triangle OMR and a triangle ONR, hypotenuse OR congruent, hypotenuse OR, common side means common side, side OM, congruent side ON, radius of a circle means triangle OMR, congruent triangle ONR by hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse OR congruent hypotenuse OR, side OM congruent side ON, radius of a circle means triangle OMR and triangle ONR congruent by hypotenuse side test means angle MRO congruent angle NRO corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Similarly, angle MOR congruent angle NOR corresponding angles of congruent triangle means OR is a bisector of angle MRN as well as MON. Segment OR bisect angle MRN as well as angle MON. MRO congruent NRO means OR is the angle bisector of angle MRN. MOR NOR. Congruent means OR is a bisector of angle MON. Means segment OR bisect the angle MRN as well as angle MON.